So we are discussing advanced PHP. We have already discussed about class objects, inheritance concept, and property methods and all related things. So last day we have discussing about the methods overriding or property overriding. But when we going to access the protected property using the child class object, this time we will getting this fatal error, that is cannot access protected property. So how we can do this? So if we use the public here and just going to print this, so here I am going to print using the child class object and just refresh this, we can access the 4, that is 4 is the legs. Okay, but how we can access the legs property if we have this property as protected? Okay, so we know protected properties can be accessed from inside this class and can be accessed from the derived class only, but here I am going to access from outside of this class. That's the reason we cannot access the protected property and it's showing this error. So how to use the protected property through the child class object? So very simple, as we have extends this class, that is the parent class animal and the child class dog, so we can access all the properties, all the public and protected properties from this animal. So just create a function, that is public function, and write a function names, that is legs count. Okay, and inside this we can return I have $this, and we can access this property from the child class. I have $this legs. Okay, so now if we going to call legs count methods using this object, we can get the access of the legs property from the parent class. So right here legs count. Okay, so here we are accessing the protected property from the parent class. So just refresh this, I have 4 legs. Okay, so this is the dog's property and we can use the protected property from the child class. So very simple, we have already discussed about public and private property in our previous video, and this is all about the protected type access specifier. So we need to remind that public property can be accessed from anywhere from the class or from the outside of the class. Okay, and private property can be accessed from inside the class only, and protected property can be accessed from this class and from derived class. So we can access protected property using this way. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section, and next day we will going to discuss about how to disable method overriding. So if you want to restrict your overriding, so how we can do this? So next day we will learn about these things. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.